Hey guys, it's done. I finally completed it. The Astrophotography PC build is complete. Let's take a look at it. My name's John Robinson, the Astrotard. This is Deep Sky. Okay guys, so I've been working on this over the Christmas break. It took me about a week to get this all done. But let's take a look at it. It's just coming up here behind me. Here it is, the Astrophotography PC build. Okay, starting off, here's the monitor. This is a Samsung 49-inch curved monitor. Very immersive when you play a video game or need to do something on the desktop. It's quite nice. I stuffed this into a Corsair C700M full tower case with a nice glass accent on front. It's obviously water cooled with lots of, circus-like looks inside of it. This is a Ryzen 9 3950X build. I've got an ASRock Aqua motherboard, which has a water block over the CPU and the VRMs. I'm using a GeForce 2080 Ti graphics card. I've also got some Trident Z Royal DDR4 3600s in there. I should also mention that I've got stuffed in there some NVMe SSDs, as well as regular SSDs, as well as drives from Western Digital, traditional hard drives. So it's about how many terabytes? I think it's 13 terabytes of disk space. So it's pretty good. Quite difficult to build. Bending those tubes took a long time, but certainly an enjoyable piece, and I hope it lasts a long time. So what am I going to use this for, you might ask? Why do I need such a big monitor, and why do I need such a beefy system? Anyway, this will be for astrophotography, for post-processing with PixInsight, for doing the YouTube videos for this channel. And yeah, that's pretty much what I built it for. Okay, so I've got PixInsight running on the Astro PC. I've got the weighted batch pre-processing script running in the background there. And last time I ran this on the old computer, this thing took over an hour to run. And when this one's done, I'll record the time. But the thing I wanted to mention is I've got all 32 of my cores fired up here. And it's running at 4.2 gigahertz. And pretty happy with this Ryzen. I'm expecting it to be significantly shorter. Here was the original time on the laptop. A Core i7 took, for the Bubble Nebula, 1 hour and 12 minutes. For the new PC, exact same process, almost 18 or 19 minutes. So, man, I'm going to save myself so much time with this beast. Okay, we're just doing a quick comparison of the two systems. Here's the older system. It's processing in Vegas. 15-minute video that I would publish to YouTube. And it says it's going to take 38 more minutes. It's already been processing for 5. Here's the new PC. It says it's already been processing for 5. It needs 6 more minutes. So it's basically 4 times the speed of this one. Well, hey guys, that's it for this week. I couldn't be happier with the build, and hopefully this means I'll be more efficient and effective at doing astrophotography as well. So thanks for watching, thanks for your interest, and let me know if you have any questions. The build cost on this thing was roughly $9,000. Don't tell my wife. I could have bought a telescope.